Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the meat pan in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new meat pan. The meat pan is used for storing meat and cheese. The meat pan should be replaced if it cracks and no longer stays in place. To get to the part, we need to open the refrigerator door. Pull out and remove the meat pan. This is the old meat pan next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide the new meat pan in and close the door. And plug the refrigerator in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.